Good morning, students. Welcome to the online classes of Leal Public School. How are you? Hope you all are good at home and enjoy your classes. Students, in our last videos, we have do book exercise of this chapter, chapter number 7, addition and subtraction within 100. Now, in this time, we are going to start copy work of this chapter. Okay, so let's start. And how should you write in your copies? You should write in your copies like this. Exercise number 1 and 2. Question number 1. Add the following. Question number 1. Add the following. You should write like this. First of all, tens and ones. मैंने आपको बताया ना what is the meaning of tens and ones. Okay. Like this 4 and 5. Okay. Ones place digit is 5 and 3. First of all, we start with ones place now. So 5 and 3 is equal to 8. 5 and 3 is equal to 8. That's why we write 8 here. And 4, what is right here? Nothing. It means 0. And when we add 0 in any digit, we get the answer same now. So that's why we write number 4 here. Next is tens and ones. Again, you should gap 3 boxes between two sums. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then again write like this and 26, 3. What is the digits of ones place? 3, sorry, 6 plus 3. Okay, 6 and 3 now. So 6 plus 3, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. That's why we write 9 here. And 2, 2. Because why we write 2 here? Because here is nothing. It means 0. 7, 1 and 8. 1 plus 8 is equal to, when we add 1 in any digit, we write just after number na? Okay, you got it. आप सबको पता है. Very nice. That's why we write 9 here and 7. Now next is, again you should gap 2 boxes here. Then you write number 4, tens and ones. 56 plus 30. 56 plus 30. And first of all, we add ones place digits now. So 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. And 5 plus 3 is equal to, take your 5 finger. Okay, 3 more. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. That's why we write 8 here. Okay, now next is 29. 29 and 50. Again, like this, 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Okay, next question. 18 plus 60. 18 plus 60. What? 8. And 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. That's why we write 7 here. Okay, now move. Yes. Chapter again, you should open your new page and in your first line, you should write chapter number 7, exercise number 3 and 8. Okay, so first question is subtract the following. First question is subtract the following. Okay, then how should you write? Like this. Tens and ones. First of all, we start from one side now. So 8 plus 4. Sorry, 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to, take your 8 fingers and down your 4 fingers. What is the answer? Answer is 4. That's why we write 4 here. 4 and 5. And what is here? Nothing now. That's why we write 5 here. When we add 0 in any digit, when we subtract 0 in any digit, we get the number same. हमें number कौन सा मिलता है? हमें number same मिलता है. Next is 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. And 7. So we write 7 here. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 and 8. Okay. You should write like this in your copies. Now moving to the next exercise. Yes. Again, you open your new page and you should write chapter number, then name of the then name of the number of the exercise. Okay, then you start your work. So our first question is add the following. Our first question is add the following. Okay, first is 5 plus 4. Take your 5 finger, 4 more, and what is the answer? Answer is 9. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, next is 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Then tens and ones. You should keep 2 boxes here and 2 here. Okay, tens and ones. We start from one sides again. Okay, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 and 3 plus 4 is equal to also 7. Okay, next is 3 plus 3. Yes, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So what we write here? 6. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, now 6 plus 2 is equal to 6 plus 2, 8. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. That's why we write 8 here. Okay, now next is, look at this. 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So we write 7 here. 4 plus 3, 7. Okay, now moving to the next exercise. Look at this, what it is. Yes, again you should write chapter number, then number of exercise number 5 and 6. Again, now let's do it. Question number 1. Find the total of the following. Find the total of the following. Tens ones, tens ones, tens one. You should write tens and ones in the front of your sum. Okay. So 2 plus 4 plus 3. 2 plus 4 plus 3. First of all, we add 2 plus 4. So 2 plus, take your 2 finger and 4 more. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. And 3 more, 6. Take your 3 fingers more. 6, 7, 8, 9. That's why we write 9 here. Okay. Then 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And 6 plus 2. 6, 7, 8. So we write 8. Okay, 0 plus 1, 1. And 1 plus 6, what? 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. So we write 7 here. Next is 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. And 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. That's why we write 8 here. Okay, now next is 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Okay, good. And 7 plus 2, 8, 9. 9. So we write 9 here. Okay, now next is 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to what? 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 now. And 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. That's why we write 8 here. Is that clear? You got it? Okay, good. Now moving to the next. Yes. Again, look at this. What it is? Tens ones, and tens ones. Okay, we start from one side now. So 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. That's why we write 8 here. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 or 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. That's why we write 6 here. Okay, you understand? Now moving to the next question, next exercise. Yes. Again, you should write chapter number 7, exercise number 5 and 6. Subtract the following. अभी हमने क्या किया था? Add किया था और अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं? अब हम subtract करने वाले हैं. Tens and ones. Tens and ones. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to, take your 6 finger and down your 4 finger. And what is the answer? Answer is 2. We write 2 here. 4, 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Okay. Next is 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2, take your 6 finger and down your 2 fingers, and how many fingers are left? 4 now. That's why we write 4 here. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. That's why we write 4 here. Okay, got it? Understand? आप सबको समझ में आया? Okay, good. Now next is 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to, take your 8 fingers, down your 4 fingers, and how many fingers are left? 4. That's why we write 4 here. Next is 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. That's why we write 2 here. Okay, understand? You should write like this, and you should write neatly and don't mistake. Do careful, beta. Now moving to the next question. Look at this. What it is? क्या है ये? Oh, carry some. Yes. Again, you should write chapter number in your first line, then exercise number in your second line, then in your third line you should write question. Question number 1, add the following. Okay. Again, we start from one side. हम one वाली side से start करते हैं. Then 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 ना. 6 plus 4 कितना होता है? 10. That's why we write 0 here. हमने यहाँ पर क्या लिखा? 0. And where is right 1? Here. And then 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to what? 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. That's why we write 3 here. Okay. Now next is 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is equal to what? 9, 10, 11, 12. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. That's why we write 2 here. And where is right 1? Here on tens place. इस पर लिखा हमने 1 tens place पर. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. That's why we write 4 here. Again, you should write 2 boxes gap. With 2 boxes gap, then tens and ones. Tens and ones, 6, 3, 1, 7. Again, you should start from one side. 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 is equal to, yes, 3, then 7 more, and count them combinedly. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. That's why we write 0 here and 1 on the tens place. Okay, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 plus 1, 8. That's why we write 8 here. Okay, now you should do like this. Again, जैसे कि मैम ने भी आपको पहले बताया, आपको वैसे ही सम्स भी करने हैं. And please write neatly. Okay, and don't mistake. Now, exercise number 7. Sorry, chapter number 7, exercise number 8. Again, subtract the following. Okay. What is right here? 5 and 3 and 8. So, can we subtract 8 from 3? क्या हम 8 को 3 में से subtract कर सकते हैं? No. That's why we carry 1 digit from 5. हम 5 से 1 number carry करते हैं. So what it is? 13. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. And what come before 5? 4. That's why we write 4 here. And what is right here? Nothing. It means 0. That's why we write 4 here. Okay. Now next is, yes, 6, 9. Yes, 6 and 9. Again, can we subtract 9 from 6? No. That's why we carry 1 digit from 7. हम 7 में से 1 digit carry करेंगे, तो 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. Okay, and what come before 7? 6. That's why we write 6 here. Now next question is 5 and 6. Again we carry 1 digit from 7. It's 15. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. And What come before 7? 6. So 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Okay, now next is, yes, you do this sum like this. Okay, moving to the next exercise. Okay, again you should write chapter number in your first line, then exercise number in your second line. सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स. क्या करना है, ये जो वर्ड प्रॉब्लम है वो आपको सोल्व करनी है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू रीड इट वेरी केयरफुली. आपको जो एक्सरसाइज है वो ध्यान से पढ़नी है. Vinu has 52 marbles. Vinu has 52 marbles. Irfan has 36 marbles. How many marbles do they have in all? तो उन दोनों के पास टोटल कितने marbles हुए? Okay, look at this. First 52, that's why we write 52 here, and 36, we write 36 here. Firstly, we add ones place digit. 2 and 6 is equal to 8, and 5 and 3 is equal to 8. So 88. Okay, now next is, there are 48 children in a big bus. There are 48 children in a big bus. There are 21 children in a small bus, or 21 children in a small bus. How many children are there all together? 48 in a big bus and 21 in a small bus. First, we write 48 and 21. We start from one side. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, and 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So 69. There are 69 children all together. Okay. When you do word problems, first of all you read carefully, then you do. ओके, जब भी आप कभी आपको वर्ड प्रॉब्लम करनी होती है तो आपको उसके लिए क्या करना होता है, आपको उसके लिए सबसे पहले जो क्वेश्चन है आपका उसको केयरफुली रीड करना होता है. अगर आप केयरफुली रीड नहीं करोगे तो आपको पता नहीं चलेगा कि आपको इसमें प्लस करना है या माइनस करना है. ओके, सो देयर आर 24 crayons in the box. देयर आर 54 crayons in a tray. 54 crayons किस में है, बॉक्स के अंदर है. और सॉरी 24 क्रेयॉन्स कहाँ है, बॉक्स के अंदर. और 54 क्रेयॉन्स जो है वो इसमें है, ट्रे के अंदर है. व्हाट इज द टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्रेयॉन्स? फर्स्ट वी राइट 24, देन 54, एंड नेक्स्ट इज what we do. First of all we add one place digits. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, and 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. It's 78. Okay, now moving to the next exercise. Yes, again you should write chapter number 7, exercise number 10. Solve the following word problem. Solve the following word problems. In a box there were 62 pieces of chalk. एक बॉक्स है जिसके अंदर 62 pieces chalk है. 20 pieces were used, और उसमें से हमने क्या किया है, उसमें से हमने लेकर 20 pieces जो chalks थे वो यूज कर लिए. How many pieces of chalks were left? अब उसके अंदर कितने chalks बची है. So again we write 62 and 20. What we do? Yes, we start from one side. So 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. That's why we write 2 here. And 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 42. 42 chalk pieces were left. 42 chalk pieces were left. Okay. Now next is, there were 58 children in a bus. There were 58 children in a bus. कितने बच्चे हैं बस के अंदर? 58. 23 were boys. अब उसमें से 23 जो है वो क्या है, बॉयज हैं. एंड हाउ मेनी गर्ल्स वर देयर? अब हमें ये बताना है कि हमें उसमें कितनी गर्ल्स हैं. सो फर्स्ट वी राइट 58, देन वी राइट 23, देन सब्ट्रैक्ट. 8 minus 3 is equal to, yes, 5. Okay, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, now next is, there were 35 girls. कितनी girls हैं? 35. Now next is, Tina has 95 rupees in her money bank. टीना के पास 95 rupees हैं उसके money bank में. She gave away 43 फॉर बाइंग अ कलर बॉक्स, और उसने 43 रुपीज दिए हैं कलर्स को खरीदने के लिए। हाउ मच मनी इज शी लेफ्ट विथ? 95 रुपीज थे, 43 के उसने क्या किया है, कलर्स ले लिए हैं। अब उसके पास कितने रुपए बचे हैं? 95 माइनस 95 minus 43. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 and 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. She is left with 52 rupees. She is left with 52 rupees. So students, I hope that's enough for today's class. We will meet in next meeting. Till then, you do your work in your copies in neat and clean handwriting and don't mistake. Take care. Bye bye.